Hello, hello. So we're back with another Stitch Fix unboxing. So that's gonna be the video. I think I'm gonna do something a little bit different this time where I'm going to guess the prices. I haven't looked at the prices at all yet. I've opened the box, seen what clothes are in it, but I haven't looked at the prices. So before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed before you leave and give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out. And then you can follow me on my makeup related Instagram. All that stuff is always down below. If you are into clothes, I do have a like to know it as well. You can follow that if you're into shopping and clothes and makeup too, and recently fitness stuff. And then disclaimer, my glasses are crooked. I don't know, my cat like knocked them off of the dresser last night and I woke up with a headache. I think those two things are unrelated, but I'm just saying that my glasses are crooked and I think I'm going to continue to have a headache in this video. So if I'm not like super upbeat, that's why. And if it's bothering you that my glasses are crooked, that's also why. Okay, let's just get into the video. Okay, the first item, I'm going to start with the things that I don't like first. Also, let me just make a quick disclaimer because I think that this is important as a consumer to know. If you've watched my past two videos, then you already know what I'm about to say, but just in case you don't know how Stitch Fix works, you pay a $20 styling fee. That $20 styling fee goes towards your box if you choose to keep anything. If you do not choose to keep anything, you lose the $20 styling fee. I think it's very important because I was not aware that that would happen when I ordered my first box because I ended up not keeping anything in my first box and then I basically paid $20 for nothing. They did waive my second box styling fee. You pay the styling fee every time you order a box. It's on-demand ordering, like you can set it up to be like every month or every 2 to 3 weeks or whatever you want, but I do it about once a month, but I schedule my own fixes. I do have a referral link down below if you want like I think it's $25 towards like your first purchase. That's there if you want it. All right, disclaimers are out of the way. Let's get into the box. So the first item is this shirt. And I did put a note on my box this time for my stylist to only include things that I could wear to work. No shoes, no accessories, which they didn't include any shoes or accessories, so they did listen. I mean, I don't know if they did or if it was a coincidence, but I did ask them to not include any accessories or jewelry, and they shoes, and they didn't. So this is the first shirt. I'm not in love with the pattern of this shirt. I don't think the color would even like really look good on me. I like the style of the shirt. Like if it was in a different color, even if it was like in a solid color, I would actually probably like the style. The material is it's a little thin. I would probably wear a tank underneath it. I'm gonna guess that this is about, knowing their other prices of items, I'm going to say this is about like 40 bucks. And I will put the actual price on the screen and see how close we are. But it's a size small. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just not a fan of this. I won't be keeping this. The second item in the box is another shirt. This one. I'm not loving anything about it. It's got like it's got a really bright floral print, which I'm not really a huge fan of. I don't really like the detailing up here either. With the like, it has, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it has like some, detailing where it's like kind of like dotted, and then this is a little bit see-through, and then it ties in the front. And then I guess it has like kind of like a butterfly type of wing situation. So I don't know, it's just like too much for me. Like I'm very simple. I like black and gray and white, you know what I mean? Like I don't like a bunch of patterns. I don't like cross like styling, like the I don't know. It's just not for me. It's just not my style. Which this box surprised me because the past two boxes I've gotten have very much been my style. This box is a little bit not my style with those two pieces. Now, moving on. Oh, I guess this shirt is probably around like, I would say probably like $30-ish. It's not like a super heavy material, so I'm going to say about $30 there. So moving on to something I'm actually excited about. This cardigan. I mean, if you know me in real life, you know that I wear cardigans all the time. And maroon, one of my favorite pieces to wear. I know I just said like white, black, and gray, but maroon, this piece is definitely my style. I like the detailing. It's like it's got like a diamond shaped pattern. I really, really like this. This feels really weighted and heavy. I'm thinking it's probably gonna be expensive. I'm thinking around like 80 bucks, because I don't see this being like a very cheap situation. I think that this would hold up. This is the first item I'm probably going to keep from the box. I'm probably going to keep this one. So I'm excited about that one. The next thing I'm on the fence about keeping, but it's really cute. I do like this one. I just don't wear blazers that often, and I don't really wear blue blazers. Like, I don't see where I would wear this, but it's a very cute blazer. It feels really nice. It has like 3/4 sleeves and they're cuffed, which I really like the cuff look because I feel like people cuff their blazers anyway, and so this already comes cuffed, so it's kind of nice. It's a fairly heavy material. It's a little lighter than the cardigan one, but I do like this material. I haven't tried any of these on yet, obviously, but yeah. So I think this is probably going to be up there too. Blazers are typically higher in price, so I'm going to say about $90 for this. I probably won't keep this because I don't really see me using that often, but I would say about $90. The last thing is a pair of pants. And first off, I really like dark wash pants, so right away I'm not really a fan of, like, they're cute and all, but I probably won't keep them just because I don't really wear light wash jeans that often. They are a size 4, and then they also have holes in them, which I don't really wear jeans with holes in them too. They do come cuffed, which I think is nice because I always cuff my jeans. So, and they're cute. I mean, they're cute and they feel nice. But I just don't know. Unless they like fit perfectly, like it's like the Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants where they're like perfect. I don't know if I will keep these. But I mean, they feel like a nice material. I'm going to say that these jeans are probably, let's say like 40-ish, $45, between 40 and 50, I would probably say. I said that in my last video that I don't really like spending a ton on jeans. I feel like they just get worn down really easily, so I like to get like kind of cheaper jeans. I get like Express or like Macy's or something when they're on sale. But yeah, so I'd say between 40 and 50 bucks. So that kind of concludes this video. I will put the referral link, like I said, down below if you're interested in joining Stitch Fix. No pressure to use my link, but you save money, so you might as well. I mean, you might as well if you're here and you're interested. So I think this box, I'm not really thrilled with the 2 shirts, but the other 3 items I do like. I just don't see myself wearing the 2. The maroon cardigan, I mean, that is the clear winner. I probably will keep that as long as it's not like $150. Still haven't checked the price. But yeah, you saw everything on, so thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure you give this a thumbs up if you want me to continue to do these Stitch Fix unboxings. I like them. I know we kind of got off to a rough start with Stitch Fix. I will leave those other 2 videos down below. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!